County in northwestern Georgia, western Cobb County in north-central Georgia, eastern Polk County in northwestern Georgia, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rockmart, Oregon, 10 miles northwest of Dallas, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Dallas, Kennesaw, Ackworth, Powder Springs, Austell, Rockmart, Hiram, Aragon, Braswell, Yorkville, Burnt Hickory Ridge, Lost Mountain Park, Jim R. Miller Park, Van Wert, Crossroads, Due West, and New Hope. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 9 p.m. in Atlanta, fog was